Looking to boost your business visibility? Truck branding with vehicle wraps is a powerful and cost-effective advertising solution. What is truck branding? Truck branding turns your vehicle into a mobile billboard, making your business visible everywhere you go. Types of truck branding: full wrap, partial wrap, vinyl lettering. Each type of branding can be tailored to your business needs and budget. Why truck branding is important: increases brand visibility. Cost-effective marketing mobile advertisement works 24/7. Boosts brand recognition and memorability. Durable vinyl ensures long-lasting impact. Improves professional image. How to create your truck branding design. Keep design simple and clear. Ensure readability from a distance. Use high-contrast colors for visibility. Choose durable vinyl for a long-lasting finish. Highlight contact information clearly. Maintain a clean truck for a professional look. Make your brand memorable with a bold design. Want to get started with truck branding? Check the link in the description for more information. Ready to rev up your brand's visibility? Contact us at Printzone Advertising LLC.